Nandala Mafabi is no ordinary candidate. And I want to speak before I sit down to the person of Nandala Mafabi, a seasoned politician.
The people of Eastern Uganda and Bugisu in particular, his home district, home area. So this homecoming would likely be to boost our grassroots support, that by the candidate visiting his home area, such that we reconnect with the people and his constituents, listen to their concerns, and they endorse him to go out and look for votes in the whole country. And the Honorable Nanda will be thanking them for the support they have showered him with as an MP for a quarter century, 25 years. He'll be demonstrating his commitment to their welfare and thereby strengthening his grassroots support. As he goes out for campaigns, he needs the home support, so we'll be doing homecoming, if all go well, by the 30th of this month. The homecoming ceremony would serve as a platform to officially launch the presidential campaign of Honorable Nandala Mafabi in his area to generate excitement and momentum for his candidacy. As if this presidential flag bearer, a fight could help to unite the party members and supporters in the region, foster a sense of solidarity and shared purpose, so that we move together. In case of any disagreements there, we use it to sort it out and move together. Showcase leadership by engaging with the constituents. Honorable Mafabi can showcase his leadership style, vision, and policies which could help build confidence in his ability to lead the country.